Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best blackhead removers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BESTOPE Blackhead Remover Kit. BESTOPE Blackhead Remover Kit comes in tin packaging that ensures the safety and hygiene of the tools. It also makes it easy to carry. This multi-purpose toolkit can be used to remove acne, blackheads, and blemishes. The Blackhead Remover, and the other tools in this kit is suitable for all skin types as it is made of professional-grade stainless steel coating and an electroplated needle. Its anti-slip handle offers the user precision and control over the tool. Its triangular loop and sharp needle point remove even the stubbornest blackheads without damaging the skin or causing an allergic reaction. Moving on, at number 4, we have the JPNK Blackhead Remover Kit. JPNK Blackhead Remover Kit is made with high-quality steel. It helps extract blackheads, blemishes, and acne so that your face looks smooth and clean. The blackhead removal tool in it helps in removing dirt from clogged pores without leaving behind scars. Its anti-slip grip makes sure that you have control over the extraction process. This effective tool can be used on sensitive skin. It is easy to use and convenient to carry. This kit comes in a beautiful leather case. At number 3, we have the Lechat Blackhead Remover. Remove blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, acne, fat grains on the nose, forehead, and cheek with this simple blackhead popper. The pack includes 2 pieces of blackhead remover tools with different sizes and angles. This popper is made of stainless steel material to prevent rust. It is durable, hygienic, and easy to disinfect. The polished extractor doesn't leave any scars on your skin and can be used on delicate skin. The Blackhead Blemish Remover Tool removes clogged pores, whiteheads, blemish, comedones, skin inflammation and other facial polluting causes without leaving scars. At number 2, we have the Bedace Blackhead Remover Pimple Popper Toolkit. Bedace Blackhead Remover Toolkit helps pop pimples, remove blemishes, and extract blackheads quickly and easily. It is made with high-quality materials that are safe to use on the skin without any risk of infection or allergies. The professional electroplated needle helps in precise extraction, and the ergonomic design ensures good grip and exceptional control. This set comes with 12 alcohol pads. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tomata Blackhead Remover Tool Set. The Tomata Blackhead Remover Tool Set is a 6-piece set to remove comedones, pimples, and blackheads. These are made of high-quality stainless steel that is durable and long-lasting and doesn't injure the skin. The anti-slip handle design offers a solid and comfortable grip. It removes whiteheads, blackheads, clogged dirt, and impurities. The kit comes in a leather case, making it easy to carry while traveling. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.